Hi guys, we're LB Collections, and today we will be ripping open Optic Donruss. 4 cards per pack, 20 packs per box, 1 autograph per box on average. And our dad got this for us for Christmas. And
today's the best day ever.
He also got us this box. There's 4 autographs and memorabilia cards, 4 packs per pack, 1 pack per box. So all of them are hits. And there's 1 booklet filled with 10 autographs, I'm guessing, or something around there. So let's jump in.
We will see.
Yep, we will see. Let's jump into our packs.
Go.
Kelvin Ridley, wide receiver.
And actually, before we start, after that one,
Ryan Cragen.
I like saving up to buy the cards, and I was saving up to buy this. And the funny thing was, I didn't have to because my dad
Taylor
bought it for
Rapp.
us. And go check out the previous
Leonard
videos.
Fournette.
Go check out the previous videos because we did pull these. Yep. And 2 autos that we don't have right now.
Yep.
Joe Mixon. Elshon Drapery. There's our 2 autos. Kirk Cousins. Saquon Hampton.
Sony Michael.
Sony Michelle.
And Michelle. AJ Green. Brandon Cooks. And Kierland Freerl.
Oh, let's go, baby!
What? Autograph?
This says, look for on-card rated rookie autographs. And I do have an autograph, but it is not rated rookie. It is a rookie, though. Julian Edelman. Patty Mahomes.
Patty.
And a Dexter Williams sticker auto. It's a gold. Out of 10! 3 of 10! Let's go! We are gonna case this one up. I will be casing it in a Sean Humphrey Bunting. I will be casing it right now.
Michael Thomas. I'll be saying his thingies for him. Derek Carr. Tyree Jackson. And
I'm getting it cased.
Josh Allen.
And Blaykston, just go again.
Then he gets to go twice and not gets to go once. O.J. Howard. Justin Tucker. Freddie Mahomes.
Oh, that's a purple. Let's see. Out of 50, 18 out of 50. That is another awesome.
O.J. Kohler.
Okay, so I have this auto cased up, and we will be casing the other 2 autos. And it is on average, so we might get another auto. So stay tuned, because my first ever box that I bought, I got 2 autos, and this Downtown, it's called Ultra Rare. That is they're ultra rare, of course, and it is $110. I do have a blue, aqua blue, Leonard Fournette, Matt Ryan, Michael Thomas blue, out of 299, 166 of 299, Trayvon Williams, and that is the end.
Okay,
so I get to go again because I got skipped because I was casing that awesome card.
I was trying to be you, so it technically doesn't matter.
Do that. A Bobby Wagner, Jimmy G, Mr. Luck, who's retired, and a rated rookie Hunter Renfrow. Now I'm actually gonna get these 2 autographs cased up again.
Huh?
Go, Blakeson.
Kenny Galladay. Khalil Mack.
Ooh.
DK Metcalf.
Oh, wait, that's
Silver.
an Elite Series rookies. So that's an insert.
And rated rookie.
Paris Campbell.
Paris Campbell.
And Blaykston will be going again because getting these two, they stuck.
Fletcher Cox, LaShawn McCoy, Miles Kaskin, and Kelvin Herman.
Just go one more time.
Kelvin
I'm sorry.
Harmon.
I'm sorry.
Ooh.
Aaron Rodgers. Boo.
Oh, he's good.
He is good though. We have to
She's
say.
Marcus
I'm
Mariota.
I'm taking these away so we can see better.
Sterling Shepard.
Sterling.
And Dwayne Haskins.
Okay, so do I get to go
OSU.
3 now?
Yep.
Ooh, rated rookie. Oh, I have a cool card. Terrell Williams. Joe Flacco. Elite Series Kirk Cousins insert. And a Ty Johnson. So 2 more packs for me. We're flying through this box. But the one that we're all waiting for is this last one. The playbook. Yes. Derrick Henry.
Dehan.
Kirk Cousins.
Cuz.
Blue Devin White out of 299 rated rookie, I'm guessing.
Ooh, he looks like he's got some action.
Yep, 167 of 299. What?
If you go hologram a little bit, no?
I have some glare.
Mm-hmm.
DeAndre Baker. And last pack until Blaykston goes again.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Ooh.
Oh, there's that one.
Big Ben.
Look, kids.
What up? Devontae Adam.
What did you say? What up, kids? Dad?
That's Big
Oh.
Ben.
MVP Steve Young.
Commentator.
Ah. Rated rookie Ryan Finley. Now Blaykston.
Ooh.
Joey Bosa.
Mr. Bosa.
Zeke Elliott.
Feed him. Feed him.
Ben Bangu. And Rashawn Gary, numbered card 23 out of 150.
Go blue.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to.
I'll just go.
Blaykston can go.
JJ Watt.
AJ.
I already have him. I have
Yes.
3 of the same cards. Tyler Lockett. Kyler Murray. And
Ooh,
Jeffrey Simmons.
nice.
I have
That's a
that
cool
card.
card.
Jameis Winston. Phillip Rivers. Ah! What's going on me? Travis Kelce.
Else.
And Darnell Savage Jr. Savage.
I'm Savage.
Blaykston go.
No. No, your turn.
Oh,
Because
you
I went twice.
Okay. Mr. Stafford.
Yes, there.
I'm sorry. Deshaun Watson.
Deshaun.
Another Deshaun Watson. Red.
Deshaun.
99.
Deshaun.
47 out of
Deshaun for
99.
show.
Rodney Anderson.
He fast.
He faced, bro. He fast.
Come on, go.
Miles Garrett.
Miles.
James Conner. Philip Lindsay. And Ben Snell Jr. rated rookie.
Nice.
You can see my underwear.
Whoa, second one of them. Jared Goff, not in this, but in another video. Go check
Go
it
French
out.
fries.
Mark Ingram. TJ Watt. Rated rookie, Indy Isabella. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Punch it and see if it dies.
Here's our Patty Mahomes.
And
Which I
subscribe.
think is cool. Out of 50. Please like and subscribe. Comment. I'm Lance.
I'm Blaykston.
And we are
Twins.
LB Collections.